Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. On offer we've got this delightful 1969 MGC GT, finished in extremely rare Riviera Blue metallic. Car is a original UK right-hand drive vehicle, stored for a long period of time, recently restored by one of our local specialists who only does MGCs. Hence, level of attention to detail is extremely high. Quality of the fit and finish is excellent, and most notably pretty well all original features. Just give you a quick walk around the car. Everything is basically new, reconditioned, refurbished as appropriate. The underneath of the car is to the same standard as the top of the car. If you look on our website, there are some photographs of the underneath as well, because it really is quite stunning. You also see cars fitted with a folding fabric sunroof, which has been completely refurbished. Probably can also hear that the car ticks over nicely, performs really well. It's delight on test drive, overdrive, kicking in and out really smoothly. Tyres are all new. Bodywork absolutely rock solid and straight. And of course there's this stunning colour. Interior has been retrimmed as well in this very attractive grey leather. New carpets throughout, refurbished dashboard, either new or replaced switchgear, although it does still sport its original ignition switch. Just give you a look in the back as well. Again, trimmed in the same navy carpet. There are 5 chrome wire wheels. Very nice wooden steering wheel as well. I'll just pop the bonnet for you. As you can hear, it ticks over really quietly. Engine's been fully rebuilt, lightened and balanced bottom end. We know the people who've built the engine, and they are generally superb. So all good and sound under there. So overall, a really rare colour and an absolutely stunning example. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.